Chapter 2, page 13. Activity 1, Cairo Food Supplies.
Okay, now let's read the case. Cairo Food Supplies, CFS, make a wide range of canned and packaged food products. It is a large company and employs 4,100 people in its factory based near Qardasa, Egypt. So now we already know two important things about the company. What do they sell and how large is the company? CFS has markets in a number of African states and has been popular with investors for a number of years. Now you need to pause the video and think about the reasons why investors would invest in a specific company. This is probably owing to its dividend policy, which is very generous. So when you pause the video to write the reasons, one of the reasons should have been the dividend policy, which is the return they get on their investment. Figure 2.1 shows the profits made by CFS between 2008 and 2015. We can see that the profit has been increasing gradually over time. This proves further that the investors cared about the profit. Now we are going to analyze what did we deduce from the case. It is a large company that is based in Egypt. It has several markets in African states. Popular among investors because of the generous dividend policy. Its profit keeps on increasing. Now let's look at the questions. What evidence is there to suggest that CFS aims to maximize profits? Who is likely to benefit most from such an objective? Now we will answer the two questions. The information shown by the graph in figure 2.1 suggests that profit is very important to CFS. Between 2008 and 2015, profits have grown from around 1,110.2 million Egyptian pounds to 3,901.7 million Egyptian pounds. Let's look again at the figure 2.1 to see how the profit increased. We can see that in 2008 the profit was small. However, until 2015 it grew larger but gradually. Such an increase in the profit will keep the investors very interested because they will get the return on their investment, and because the return is high, the investors will always invest in the business because this means they will get more money. This is a huge growth in profits, over 250% during the time period. The company also has a strong dividends policy, which suggests that the shareholders value high returns on their investments. Therefore, it is reasonable to conclude that the CFS is a business that aims to maximize its profits. Now we will answer the second question. The profit from business activity belongs to its owners. In this case, the owners of CFS are the shareholders. Since CFS has a strong dividends policy, the shareholders will benefit particularly from profit maximization and the rapid growth in profits between 2008 and 2015. But not only shareholders benefit from the dividend policy, also the senior management and the consumers benefit from the dividend policy. For example, senior executives are likely to get bonuses which are related to profits. Also, profitable businesses can afford to reinvest some of their profits to help develop new products. This may benefit consumers if attractive new products eventually reach the market.